to my channel. Woohoo! Yes, so I want to thank everyone for always supporting me, for all the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for always actually leaving comments and engaging with my videos and all of that. And for all those new persons, if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. And always remember to like this video, guys. So, what I'm going to be talking about today is my bucket list for the remainder of 2019. So there's a lot of things that I want to do before the year ends. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do all of it, but I want to do it. So this is just like my bucket list from September to December. Yeah, so these are things that I want to do, or really love to do. So first on the list is to learn conversational Spanish. I did Spanish in high school, I did Spanish in university, but I wouldn't say I'm fluent in it, or I can have a really good conversation in Spanish. And I really want to, because I don't know, I love Spanish. Don't know why, but it's just one of those languages that I love. And it also comes hand in hand with another one on my bucket list, and that is to go to Cuba. I don't know, like since forever and ever I've been fascinated with going to Cuba. You can ask my mommy, I'm always going to Cuba, you know. And I don't know, it's just one of those places that I really want to go, really want to visit. And so yeah, hopefully I can go there by December. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but keeping our fingers crossed, guys, keeping our fingers crossed. Also, in regards to the conversational Spanish, if you know any app or any site that is free, you can just let me know down in the comments. Talia, you can kind of help me out with this one. Thank you, love you. Mwah. Alright, so yeah, I want to go to Cuba. I want to travel the world. Yes. But first, let's stop at Cuba first. But moving right along, so I have my list here. The next thing that I want to do is hike on Blue Mountains. Like, I've never ever been to Blue Mountains, and I just think it's like one of those fun, adventurous activities that I want to do, and it's just so fun. Who's coming to Blue Mountains with me? Like, if anybody wants to come, like, we can just plan this whole friends family thing, and we all like Blue Mountains together. That would be super awesome. So who wants to come to Blue Mountain with me? Woo-hoo! Anyways, the next thing that I want to do is to develop an exercise routine, or to actually start exercising, and to be consistent with exercising, basically. Because every time I say that, okay, I'm going to exercise, I exercise for one day, and then I just don't continue. And I just think that exercising is something that I should do, you know, to keep my body healthy, to be fit and all of that. And I've just been slacking off, if I was even on in the beginning. But yes, I want to develop a really good exercising regime. So if you know any app that can, you know, encourage or motivate me, or have something simple that I can start off with, you know, so I'll let your girl know. Alright, so another one on my bucket list for 2019 is to learn to drive. I am learning to drive right now, but it's not like officially, and my learners expires in November, so I do need to learn to drive before it expires, because I don't want to take out another learners again. So your girl needs to learn to drive before November ends, because I think my learners expires the 22nd or something of November, so I do need to learn to drive before that. Yes. Alright, so what's else on my bucket list? I have to go scuba diving. Oh my god, I would so love to go scuba diving or snorkeling. Like one of those, I just find that really fascinating and something that I really, really want to do. But in order for me to do that, then I have to do something else, which is also on my bucket list, and that is to learn to swim. I mean, you can't go diving without knowing how to swim, so I need to learn how to swim. Can you believe I am 24 years old? I live in Jamaica, where there's rivers and beaches and all of that, right? And bear in mind that a lot of these are just free, right? Free. Grew up in the country, so, you know, there's rivers. But your girl don't know how to swim. Like, how can you not know how to swim and you have all these opportunities to But yes, that is not a shenanigans. Alright, so the final one on my bucket list, because, you know, it's just September to December. So I don't have a lot of time, so it's not a big, long list, you know, it's just... But anyways, the final one is... Yes, the final one is to finish my book on Wattpad. I don't know, I have this thing where I start something and then I don't finish it. It's just like this really, 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 really bad habit, and I need to break out of it. You can't just keep starting things and not finishing. So I've started this book from 2017 and it has not finished. Oh no, like from 2017, like sis, can you not? So yes, I do need to finish my book on Wattpad. For those who are on Wattpad, my name is Amari for Chem. Amari is calling me. Hold on. Yes, sir? Yeah? It's not coming on good? Because the battery's dead now. Yeah. Finish eat your breakfast? You don't want them right? Okay. Anyways, guys, yes, my name is Amari for Chem on Wattpad, so you can follow me and all of that, and you can keep me accountable for that book. Yeah? Want to show me something? Alright, Mr. Come. Anyways, guys, Amari wants to show me something. So until next time, bye. Wait, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends, guys. So